I hope you're doing something. I think it was 2 or 3 years ago because people make noises. So मैं उठी. Feel like I look auntie blushy. Yes, everybody go. I have a good news and a bad news to share with you. Right now, I am that in love. What? And there are quite a few people. Even I did not like it, but I had it. उनके साथ हमें dips वगैरह दी थी. They were spoiled. But I will be having food alone regardless. My brother called me. There was some complication. Until 5, 6 or 7 years, you should not bring your child here. Good morning. I think we need more glass. Yeah. Hi. How are you? I hope you're doing. I hope you're fine. I'm good. I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing something. I just woke up and I said good morning, regardless of it being, I think, almost 1 now. Nay, it's almost 12. Okay. I could not sleep at all yesterday. Today, I decided that I'm gonna vlog what I eat in a day. Now, why I do not shoot what I eat in a day vlogs is because I don't want to cook 3 or 4 times a day. And it's not like I don't want to cook, but like I kind of eat the same meal 4 times a day, so that would be no fun. So the plan for today is having breakfast, brunch right now, not right now, in a bit. Then me and my brother and some friends, we have planned to go to the market. Well, the plan is to watch a movie, Spider-Man Brand New Day, but we're gonna go to the market and obviously we're gonna eat something in the theaters. I don't know. I tried booking the tickets and also I did not know because I think it was 2 or 3 years ago when I last booked the ticket online. I do not like booking tickets online for the movies. I also added some food items so that we don't have to stay in the line because the interval time, it gets over really fast. So I tried doing that abhi. I tried ordering with our seat numbers and all. God damn it, the convenience fees, I think it was over 200, and I really do not like sharing seats with people. If I were alone, so I would definitely have watched the movie later, जब theater में इतनी भीड़ ना हो. Since we're going with friends, I do not like a crowded theater because people make noises and I do not like any interruption when I'm watching something or anything at all. It doesn't matter. I might be watching a horror movie and people will scream. I do not like. Okay. ज्यादा कॉन्टेक्स्ट से बाहर जा रही. एंड माई फ्रेंड कॉल मी. शी सेड कि ये वाली सीट्स तो बुक हो गई है. फिर मैंने चेक करा कि वो मैंने ही सिलेक्ट करके रखी थी, तो वो नहीं हुई. That's it. I've had water in the morning. Yeah, in the morning. Technically, it would have been a morning 15 minutes pehle. Whatever. Also, I could not sleep a wink yesterday. I washed a lot, like a ship ton of clothes. टन ऑफ क्लोथ्स. ओके. और मैंने बाहर सारे कपड़े डाल दिए थे टू लेट देम ड्राई. इट्स मानसून. ओस पड़ती है. ओस को क्या कहते हैं? आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड. ओस को क्या कहते हैं? आई डोंट नो. जो भी बर्फ जैसा, या वही ड्यू ड्यू ड्यू, आई डोंट नो. तो पहली बात मैं 4 बजे सोने लगी थी. ठीक है, like 4 AM in the morning. I kept my phone aside because I was editing a vlog and I was uploading a vlog. I deserve a pat on the back. The standing, it's still not gone. Okay, तो around 5 o'clock हवा चलती शुरू होती है, खिड़की बजती है धम. One thing about me, I am a lazy person. मेरे को ये कपड़ों में चिप्पू लगाना बड़ा आलसी काम लगता है, तो I do not do it. और मैंने बहुत सारे कपड़े थे डाले और बहुत सारे कपड़े नीचे भी पहुंच गए थे. तो मैं उठी 5 बजे एंड आई स्टार्टेड पिकिंग दोस्त. मैं एक राउंड लगाया अंदर कपड़ों का, फिर दूसरा राउंड लगाया अंदर कपड़ों का, फिर तीसरा राउंड लगाया, फिर मैं नीचे गई कपड़े ढूंढने के कहाँ गिरे, फिर वो लाए उठा के. एंड ये करते करते 5:30 हो गए. 5:30 बजे के बाद जो है लोग शोर कर देते हैं. शोर करना, उसका भी कोई सीन नहीं. वेल, सीन है, मेरे को नहीं आती शोर में नींद. सेकेंड, इट गेट्स ब्राइटर. और मेरे कमरे में जो ये वाला पर्दा है, इससे लाइट, मतलब आई हैव 2 टाइप ऑफ पर्दे. ठीक है, इनसे लाइट इतनी ज्यादा अंदर नहीं आती. इससे ऐसा लगता है कि एंड आई कैन नॉट स्लीप वाइल द लाइट इज ऑन. और अब मुझे लाइट आ रही हो तो मैं ज्यादा बता रही हूँ मैं अपने बारे में. बट फॉर्चुनेटली मम्मा ने ये सारे कपड़े, अभी और भी है बाहर, बट ये सब कुछ बाहर डाल दिया था ताकि वो, मतलब अभी टचवुड मौसम साफ है, ताकि वो सब कुछ सूख जाए. आई एम सो थैंकफुल फॉर हर. सॉरी पापा ने. आई एम सो थैंकफुल फॉर हिम. एंड ही टुक प्राइड इन टेलिंग मी दैट मैंने डाले थे ये, मतलब लाइक आई एम माई पापा नाउ. हाँ, मैंने सारे कपड़े बाहर डाले हैं सो दैट मुझे पता चल जाए कि पापा ने ही डाले हैं, मम्मा ने नहीं डाले हैं कपड़े बाहर. नहीं, मम्मा ने मेरे कपड़े सारे बिखेर मतलब ताकि उसमें हवा लग जाए क्योंकि वो थोड़े गीले थे. So now we have to. I don't want to do that. I have a chocolate. जो मैं कल रात को खा रही थी पर मेरा पूरे खाने का मन नहीं किया क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था मैं बहुत भरी हुई हूँ. लेकिन मैं भरी हुई इसलिए थी क्योंकि मैंने दिन में सिर्फ एक ही बार खाना खाया था. अगर मैं 3 बार खाती तो मैं इतनी भरी हुई नहीं होती. तो मैं वो खा लेती लेकिन वो बची हुई है क्योंकि मैंने खाना नहीं खाया था. Should we have that? Yeah, I'm wearing my brother's shorts. Whatever. Yeah, I love this chocolate. I love 5-star. This is the only chocolate I can not care about, but yeah. And I also love Munch की वो वाली है जिसमें peanuts होते हैं. I love that chocolate. What was the name of that chocolate? Fuse. I love that chocolate. I love Fuse so much more than Snickers. Anyone from Snickers, if you're watching this video, अगर chances है कि मैं future में collab कर सकती हूँ उनसे तो I take my line back. Whatever. Personally, I think chocolate goes with a little bit of salt. And what better way to add dry fruits and nuts, like salted dry fruits and nuts. Oh, also try having dark chocolate or the chocolate, not this kind of chocolate, but like the not crispy. मतलब dark chocolate जैसी या silk anything with roasted pumpkin seeds, but roasted in salt. मुझे ये खानी नहीं चाहिए थी क्योंकि एकदम से blood sugar ऐसे spike होता है ना. Let's fix something. Let me fix something to eat for myself. Let me fix myself some food. जो भी है ठीक है. उसके बाद हम ये खाएंगे. I got these scarves. Look at it. Not like this. Okay. I'm thinking of making it so I'll cut it in 2 pieces. A bandana जो भी कहते हैं उसे, and a poncho, cool top. I'll tell you my favorite one. I think वहाँ पे ये. This one was my favorite. It has different types of colors and polka dots. I look so chic. Why do I feel like I look auntie plus chic? No. I have to look chic in this. Oh, I love. ऐसे क्यों ले रही हूँ मैं ये? अगर हम थोड़ा जल्दी चले गए ना आज मार्केट तो मैं वो टेलर भैया को दे दूंगी. भैया बस इसमें ऐसे कट्टा मार, आपने ऐसे इसमें चाकू से ऐसे करना है और आपने वो सिल देना है. No, but like imagine, oh, cool with this top be. It'll go something like, I'm wearing my brother's shorts. I think I showed you this one. You know she like the drama. Yeah, she is sexy mama. And now she dance, everybody go. Did I show you this one? So pretty. Now let's go fix ourselves. नहीं आ रही मुझे. You can find my earrings lying anywhere. Any freaking where in my house. And if you find it on the floor, it's definitely mine. Cute. Let's go. Found something. Oh, I love this creature so much. I have a good news and a bad news to share with you. I'll go with the bad news first. The bad news is, and I do not like having brunch with dal or anything. I love to have it with sabzi, and we don't have sabzi right now. Like sabzi hai, it's not cooked. But now you want to know what the good news is? Arbi bani hai. Arbi is, let me Google it. Okay, Arbi is called taro root. Okay, I don't know taro root in English. So वो बनी है, and I love Arbi. I love taro root. So we'll have that. Yeah. Weird angle. Whatever. This, how do I show you? I can't show it to you. Wait. Okay, this, where is it? This is Arbi. I love it. And if you put a lot of tomatoes in it, it's one of the things I love the most in the world. And because I've been craving Arbi for the longest time ever, and my mother and father went somewhere a few days ago and they bought 7 kgs of Arbi. Gosh, I love them so much. And we have 2 chapatis and my infamous mushroom kachar. I love it. My phone's battery is about to go down, but I'll share my food with you because the first bite, I generally take the first bite for myself. The second bite is the one that I share. So can I be myself? If you do not like slimy, sticky things, I don't, but I love this one is an exception. Have a bite. Good. If you do not like slimy things or bhindi kind of things, which is a little slimy, you might not like this. When I have a huge house someday, you best believe that house will have a garden. This garden mein I will grow my own Arbi. Did you know? Arbi ke patte you can eat. Arbi ki stems that you can eat. Arbi you can eat. And you can store it for way long. Yeah. Arbi ke saath, I don't overeat. But I've tried my best to. I thought of fasting for some time because I gained not a lot. I gained a few kilos and I wanted to get back in shape. But I do not want to fast. What I did and what I have been following is I reduced my proportions of any meal of my day. When I go out, that's an exception. When I go out, I do not think at all. So I barely go out. I go out with my brother. I go out. It's not like I go out a lot. So that is why I do not get ready with me. When the most I go out is to deliver a parcel. So I think usme I don't eat as much. But like when I go out with my friends and my brother, we eat. घर से बाहर, I don't care. Okay, we don't eat shit. We don't eat बहुत unhealthy चीज, but we eat the medium healthy. Sorry, unhealthy. Unhealthy नहीं था. Middle उस पे अगर unhygienic, unhealthy में क्या बोलूँ? But I have not put any restrictions on myself when I go out. Of course, money is not a restriction, but again. तो इसीलिए घर पे I eat controlled as in I eat 2 chapatis at once. For Arbi, I do make an exception, so I will eat 3 chapatis एक time पे. Yeah. So because I do not like this vrat or fasting thing at all. Now, like yesterday, if I'm working and if I am like fully in it, तब मैं खाने के बारे में सोच भी नहीं सकती. मुझे भूख लग रही होगी, मुझे पता होगा मुझे भूख लग रही है, but I cannot. I have to finish that thing first. तो कल it was cleaning. तो I did सुबह से शाम तक वो. शाम को मेरे से सिर्फ 2 फुलके खाए गए and I had थोड़े से chips and all. Chips भी. और मैं चॉकलेट भी नहीं खाएगी मुझसे पूरी. It was a 10 rupees chocolate like this much. तो I had like this much. वो भी ज़बरदस्ती क्योंकि मुझसे नहीं खाई गई. तो I'm not someone who loves to fast. I don't fast. My family fasts a lot. And this is like Sawan ka mahina, so my mother fasts, my papa fasts, my brother even he does sometimes. Janmashtami और महाशिवरात्रि वगैरह होती है. I cannot. If I know I'm about to fast, I will just keep on thinking about food that I don't want to, because that will affect my whole day. Like I'm just thinking about food. And उस time पे when you even try to eat थोड़ा सा, मतलब एक बारी ना, तो you eat इतना बड़ा proportion कि you'll feel sick. So I don't want to do that. I don't want to binge eat. I might eat many times, but I will eat less, not too much at once. And I think me not eating was one of the reasons I could not sleep yesterday. I cannot sleep on an empty stomach. I cannot. My God, I love this thing so much. Okay, I'll have this and I have some work to do as well. So I'll charge my phone. Meanwhile, I'll watch some series. Okay, I'll tell you, I will keep it. I won't keep it to myself. I'm watching The Mentalist right now. So yeah, I'll watch it with my food. And I'll see you guys in a bit. I've had my breakfast and now it's time for the dessert. Actually, one more thing about me. I don't have a sweet tooth. Yeah, I like having sweet things sometimes, but I won't say I can't survive without it, because I cannot, but it's not like it's necessary, needed for me. Oh, and I do not like ice creams. Yeah, know that about me? No. Now I'll get my box and I'll see you when I have my next meal or something, anything. See, this is why I don't do what I eat in a day kind of videos. It's almost, I think 5 now, and I'm having the same thing but with rice. I'm having arbi ki sabzi with the rice and thodi si dahi, and I love it. I love to eat huge portions of food. That is why I try to eat a lot of vegetables. Well, not only because of that, because I love vegetables. Give me anything. I love vegetables like so much. So much. I would have had a थोड़ा सा और filling meal, पर क्योंकि हम जा रहे हैं बाहर मैं काफ़ी खाऊंगी. I know that. मतलब मैंने प्लान कर लिया कि थिएटर में क्या मंगवाने वाली हूँ, उससे पहले मुझे क्या खाना है. So that is why I'm having a little bit of this before we go. I think we'll leave in an hour or 2. Right now I am that in love with arbi, taro root. Okay, I can have it for a whole week, like non-stop. Non-stop matlab with every meal. Yes, I forgot I was shooting what I ate in a day. We had 1 plate momos, which is like emptied, half plate noodles. Oh, this is before the theaters, and spring roll. 2 second chutney मांगना होता है.
ग्लास ले ले. अब एक और. ये खा लो. वाइट सॉस. गाड़ी पार्क करने में टाइम लगेगा अभी.
Hello, bye. I think theater में भी we will be ऑर्डर इन सेकंड हाफ में, क्योंकि हम फर्स्ट हाफ के लिए भूल जाए. Entries. I think I look way too cool for this world. I'm super excited. Like, yeah.
निर्णय में ले चुका हूं.
What?
एक पुत्र होने के नाते
रणवीर है, मेरे को लगा
अपने पिता के वचन का पालन करना मेरा.
लास्ट वाली है ना हमारी. Tell you what I had in the car. अभी we were waiting for the post credits काफी देर से. And there are quite a few people who are waiting with us. Not with us, but like who are waiting for the post credits. I watched the whole movie. Not the whole movie. I wanted to watch the whole movie. That is why I watched the whole movie. But I wanted to like really watch the movie for that ninjas wala scene with the Spider-Man. And yeah, it was cool. It was so cool. So we're on our way back home. But I was so in that movie. So I forgot to record when we were eating. So technically, yeah, untechnically we had. हमने क्या खाया था? Okay, popcorn. We had a Maharaja tub of popcorn, both salted and the caramel ones. My brother's verdict is the caramel ones were not worth it, and for the whole part he had just come for the popcorn because he really liked caramel popcorn. Unfortunately, it was not tasty. We did not. क्या हुआ है क्या यहाँ पे? कुछ पीछे गाड़ी खराब हुई है. नहीं जी. Okay, and so we had corn and cheese pizza. No one liked the corn pizza. Even I did not like it, but I had it because it was better than the one that we have had जब हम last time वहाँ पे आए थे. That's it. हमने और भी तो खाए थे. Nachos, yeah, my favorite thing to have in the theaters. So we also had nachos, which was pretty decent. My friend thought कि जो sauce उनके साथ हमें dips वगैरह दी थी, they were spoiled or something. ये कुछ तो उद्योगी. And we also had 7-Up, like the huge, that cup of 7-Up. Its texture was more of a slurry, not like the drink. I think it was fine. I don't think it was that bad. No one liked it. I think it was fine. I don't know. हमारे साइड के रोड they feel actually like लद्दाख वाले रोड. किन्नौर का व्यू was इतना beautiful कि ऐसा मतलब सिर्फ वो व्यू देखने I would definitely want to go again. But यूलाकांडा नहीं जाऊंगी मैं. You remember yesterday I wanted to share what I eat in a day, but then when I was having like food with my friends at the theater, or in general when I was having food with my friends, I forgot to record it. And so today I am kind of alone, and I enjoy eating alone. Not a good thing, but yes I do. And I'm at McD waiting for my brother though, but I will be having food alone regardless. So I thought I should record it as a part of what I eat in a day, because I could not record much of it yesterday. Yeah. When I'm with my friends, it's not like I barely use my phone, but yes, I barely use my phone, and well, I don't want to use my phone. Second of all, I'm watching the movie when I'm eating, so I can't touch my phone. A DJI Osmo Pocket would have been great, right? I kind of like enjoy eating alone and talking to you. It's not making me embarrassed at all when there are a lot of people. जब हम अकेली in the market, sometimes it does, but right now it's not. Yeah. Because it's a beautiful view from here. So beautiful. You want to see? I wouldn't have come here अगर बारिश ना हो रही होती. My brother is hooked up थोड़ा सा स्कूटी के काम में, तो बारिश हो रही थी, तो तब I had to come here. And unfortunately I haven't had my breakfast. So that's what we're doing. Very unhealthy breakfast. For the first meal of the day, you should never have something like that, okay? Unless you have no choice. Everything is unhealthy here too. And I don't like Subway ka khana. Well, there was this one time, एक ही बार I have ordered Subway. When I tell you it was bad, I don't know if it was the Subway here which was bad, or Subway in general. I don't know. Also, we ordered these soya, I don't know, cutlets, pakoras, whatever that was. It was really bad. And the sub, maybe we asked to give us the wrong sauces or anything, but it was like really bad. And my food is coming in some time. What do I do until then? I also only have my phone with me. My Oura came. not an aesthetic person, but what I really like here is the coffee, the iced coffee, not iced, the ice cream wali iced coffee with rice. I love it. I don't know why, but yes, I just love it so much. I should have ordered the peri peri fries. God damn it. Oh. There are a lot of people coming, like literal lot, a lot. I'm one burger down and I love fully diluting the ice cream in the coffee and then have it. And no ice for me. I don't like ice. The ice cream is icy enough. It's close to week and that is why a lot of people are coming. But I have no idea for sure. Yeah, well, I lied. I don't like eating alone. I ordered 2 burgers. Ek nahi khaya jayega. So my brother called me. There was some complication. So they had to change kind of the whole part. Yeah. People have brought a lot of kids here and controversial opinion. I don't think बच्चों को यहाँ आना चाहिए. Like literal बच्चे. I'm not saying this would be unhealthy for them, but there should be a certain age. Let's until 5, 6 or 7 years, you should not bring your child here because yes, it's fast food, but it's very unhealthy. Okay. For Subway, in this case, I have a different opinion because it has a lot of veggies, probably fresh, a lot of fresh veggies. Now I'm gonna edit something and yeah. Hello. Hi. Now that I'm editing that video, I have noticed उस video की कोई ending नहीं है. Plus, yeah, I'm gonna learn with time how to record all things when they're being done or anything, even for the vlog. Okay, even for the balance. I hope you enjoyed that vlog, and I'll try to make more of those too because yeah, I want to have control of what I shoot and when I shoot. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just about to sleep and I was like editing the video though. I just thought it had no ending and that is wrong. Is that wrong? I don't know. Yeah. I'm gonna see you in my next video. I have lots of vlogs coming up, okay? I already have 3 vlogs lined up. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.